Hi, this is Amy with Artsy Studio, and this is going to be a tutorial on how to edit your wedding day binder template in Canva. Um, so the first thing I'm going to show you is a couple of viewing options because we are dealing with 200 pages in this template, and that can kind of be a lot. So right now we're in the scrolling view where you just scroll through the pages to view them, but that can be a lot when you have a template with 200 pages. So another option, if you come down here in the right hand corner of the screen where my cursor is, this is the thumbnail view. So if you just kind of double click on that, it will open up the thumbnail view, and you can scroll through with your mouse and select the page that you want to view or edit. The other viewing option is the grid view, which can be super helpful because, again, there's 200 pages in this template. So this is going to show you all of the pages and allow you to click on the page that you want a lot quicker and easier. I tend to do things the hard way in the scrolling view, but I don't recommend it. Okay, so we are going to go back now to the template so that we can start editing a little bit. All right, so let's go back up to the top. Sorry, we're in the scroll view. Here we are. All right, so the first thing you're probably going to want to do is start personalizing your template. So we are going to want to replace this photo so that you can have a photo of your choice. You're going to click over here to upload so you can upload your own photo into Canva. And then where it says upload files here in the purple, click on that. It's going to open up your own computer where you can, select a photo that you want, just click on it, upload it into Canva, and then it's a simple drag and drop. You can also pull up photos from your computer and drag and drop them into uploads just like that. So there's two ways really that you can upload photos. So, all right, we are going to replace this photo. We'll pretend this is your own photo. It's just simple drag and drop right like that. It's going to go right over the photo I have in there. And then we're going to change the text. So you want to just click on the text and type your new text. And you can see that the Y is down here. So all you need to do is expand this text box by pulling on it. So I just pull with my cursor right there. And then we'll change this. And then you can change the date down here. All right, so that is the first thing you may want to do to personalize your binder. And there are other options as well. You can see just a couple other ones that don't have photos or a different layout. And then if you want to change the font or anything about the text, just simply click on the text that you want to change, and up here you can change the font. Canva has a lot of pretty fonts that you can choose from. You can change the font size right here, and then you can also change the font color. So if you click this, it opens up all the different colors, and then there's also the color wheel that you can play around with as well. This is going to make things uppercase if you want to do that, and then there's the alignment and transparency. So you can go ahead and play around with the text and change it to your liking. So we're going to just go down a little bit more here into the template. Let's pause here at the venues. So you will want to change all this information to your own venue information. You can start with replacing the photos. So let's see, here we are. We'll replace the reception venue photo, and then we'll just pretend that this is the ceremony venue. And so we just simply dragged and dropped those photos over just like that. Another thing, if you want to delete the current photos, you just click on the one you want to delete. And I'm just hitting the back button on my Mac keyboard that deletes and just deleting the photo out. So whether you see a placeholder for the photo that looks like this with the green grass and the cloud, or you see a photo already in place, it is the same process to replace the photo. It's just a simple drag and drop. And then if you don't like how the photo is centered, you just want to double click it, and then you can see the width of the photo here. So you can move it around, and we are just going to move it to center the cake like that, and then unclick. And that way you can center it however you want. So the next thing would be changing the text. So you will just double click on the text, and you can start changing the date and the time, the venue name, venue address, and you can also add additional text down here if you want to. And if you want to add additional text, you will come over here and click on text, and you can say add a little text body, and it'll open it up a text box. And you can just grab it with your cursor and move it around and play around with however you want. We are going to go ahead and go up to this back arrow, which is the undo, and we're going to undo that, so you're able to use that to undo anything that you would like. Another important thing that you're going to want to do on some of these pages, down here it'll say replace with your own photos, just drag and drop, delete this text. So you'll just want to highlight that by clicking on it and hitting the delete button so that you don't print that text on there later when you're printing it out for your binder or you're making a PDF to send to somebody. So there's a little bit about that. Let's see. Let's pause here at the mood board. So you will want to change these colors to the colors of your wedding. So the first thing you'll do is, again, click on the circle that you're going to edit, and you'll see up here, this is where the color option is. So click on that, and then you will just want to choose a new color, the color that is for your mood board. And right here, you'll see there's a space for the color code. You don't have to use that. You can actually delete that text, or if you want to place the color code, you may already know what it is. And if you don't, you can come to the little color wheel here and click on it, and it's going to pull it up right here. So then you can just do a copy and then come right over here and paste. Just like that. And you can do that for all the different little color circles. And if you don't like that text, simply just highlight and delete it, and it is gone. And then if you change your mind, just undo it. So that is that. You will also want to change these photos to your own photos for your mood board. So again, you will come to uploads, and you will start pulling over photos that you have uploaded yourself and dragging and dropping them over here, just like that, just replacing it with your own to personalize your board. All right, so you're going to want to do the same thing with all of these mood boards. You have the inspiration for bridal bouquets, bridal dresses. You can replace them with your own photos. If you like any of the photos that I have in here, you are more than welcome to use them. I put them here for examples, but yeah, feel free to use them if it's something that you're liking. All right, so let's scroll down a bit. Right here we have the shot list, bride getting ready. So we have put in a couple examples here for the bride getting ready, things that you might want to capture. But if that is not what you want, just simply change the text. So you can type whatever you want. Whatever, there you go. So you can also change these photos here if you want. And then there's an inspiration collage here for bride getting ready where you might want to drag and drop photos of looks that you're hoping for your photographer to capture. All right, if you would like to change colors on the template, let's see, let's find a place that you might want to change a color, like here. If you want to change the color of any of this, again, you're just going to click up here at the color and you can pick another color. So for example, we will select this. If you want to change that color, go ahead and click that and just pick another color. You can also, again, change the fonts, change the text. So this is the wedding party. What we're gonna do here is, say you don't have this many bridesmaids or groomsmen and you wanna delete some of these boxes, simply just take your cursor and select the boxes that you wanna delete, just like that, and then hit the delete button. Now, in some cases, you may say, I have more bridesmaids or groomsmen, I need more boxes. So you can simply duplicate the page. So right here in this little, it looks like kind of, I don't know, two rectangles with a plus sign, you're gonna hit that and it'll duplicate and make you another page. So that's pretty easy when you're wanting to duplicate pages. If you come across a page that you don't want to use, like this is wedding rolls and that just seems unnecessary and you don't need it for your binder, simply hit this trash can and it'll delete the page and it will be gone. You won't need to use it. So when you are editing like the hair and makeup schedule, you simply just want to click in the box here and type like whoever's name and then their time that their appointment is for makeup, just like that. And then you can just so on and so forth, fill in the blanks. Again, these are just replacing photos and text. We're going to scroll down. Actually, let's stop here for a minute at the maps. So you will create your own maps like in Google Maps or wherever you want to create a map, upload it as an image, and then place them right into these photo placeholders. So that will take care of your map. And then this is ceremony setup inspiration. So these are just like little photos. You can replace those. And then this is an interactive guide. You can move things around, like everything is movable. You can move it one at a time like that, or you can select multiple graphics at once and move things. So you may or may not need to use this. Again, it's optional. So if this isn't something that you want to use, you can just come here to the trash can and delete the page. And right here, this is a blank page here where you can create your own ceremony floor plan. So if you want to use any of the graphics from this page, you are welcome to copy and paste them right onto here. These are just placeholders for ceremony decor and rentals. The one above is just examples so you can get your own images. The next thing I want to show you though is we're going to scroll down to the reception floor plan layout. Well, actually, you know what? First, we're going to stop here. Okay, so this is just a little bonus that I included in the template so that you can create your own signature cocktail printout. So you're welcome to use this and print it out and frame it, put it on your bar table. And I have thrown in free clip art that you can use. So it has these watercolor examples of drinks and different breeds of dogs. So you can access them right here by clicking the link to cocktail clip art, the dog clip art, and it will take you to that page. And then you can just copy and paste or upload the clip art that you want. All right. We are now here at the reception floor plan graphics. This is tables of 8, table of 10. So whatever your venue has, I also have the rectangle tables. You can build your own reception floor plan. Like this is a cake table, gift table. This is just an example right here, reception floor plan example. And then this is a blank page here where you can create your own layout. Okay, last thing, I'm going to show you how to basically download your pages for print, or so you could print them and put them in the binder, or you can do a PDF. So you're going to click right here where it says share and then download. And you'll have several different download options. So you can download as JPEG or PNG to print them out and put them in a binder. So we're just going to click JPEG. And then right now, all 200 pages are selected. So you can just print one page if you want. You can unclick all 200 pages and select what pages you want to print. And then if you just want to do a PDF, so you can email that PDF to a wedding vendor or a maid of honor or whatever, just come back up here and you will click PDF. And this one, standard, is best for emailing, and this PDF is best for printing. So whatever it is that meets your needs, just go ahead and click that. And then we don't have the pages selected, so we'll click all, and then you will just click download and download it, and then you are done. There is one last thing actually that I forgot to show you. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to make something linkable in case you are making a PDF and you want to link something. So let's see. We're just going to, all right, for example, this isn't something you would want to link, but say you wanted to link this text right here, you would just select the text and then right click and go to link and then type www.mywebsite.com. Done. And that will make it linkable when you download a PDF. So when they open it up, they could click on the links. You may or may not need that, but I just thought I would throw it in there and show you how to do that. So if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. I'm happy to help, and I hope that this helps you organize your special day. Thank you so much.